Hello everyone, welcome to video 17 of my Claude series. Today we will be discussing about output formatting. So whenever we ask Claude for JSON output and it returns you, sure, here is the JSON plus the object. That time one extra line and your parser crashes. Three simple rules that make Claude return exactly the format your code expects every single time will be discussed in today's video. When Claude is answering a human in a chat, losing format is sometimes fine. But when Claude's output is parsed by another piece of code, format is everything. A JSON response that starts with "sure, here is the JSON" will crash your parser, but a code block with triple black ticks will break a single comparison also. Format errors are silent in testing but loud in production. So we will be showing how to not have these format errors in this video. In this slide, we will be understanding the output format control in detail. So by doing output format control, we make Claude return what our code expects. There are three levels here. First level is the basic directives. So in basic directives, as we have seen in earlier videos also, we write return only the JSON, no explanation, no markdown code fences. So this is basic. Now moving to level 2. Level 2 is schema plus example. This also I have shown in one of my videos. Here we write provide the exact JSON shape plus a field example. Claude pattern matches to it. So if we give one example and tell the exact JSON shape, it will match with it every time. Level 3rd is output priming. So here we end our prompt with the opening character or Java and the code base. Then Claude continues the pattern. No preamble is possible. So we can use any one of these level 1, level 2, level 3 depending on our use case that I will be showing next. So here one important thing is format errors are silent in tests but loud in production. A JSON response which starts with "sure, here is the JSON" will definitely crash if you are planning to do something with that JSON. Use all of these depending on the use cases as I explained. Now we will be seeing level 1, level 2, level 3 examples and which one is the best or what combination is the best which we can use every day. So first is level 1. Level 1 example of prompt is extract fields from this invoice, return only the JSON object, no explanation, no markdown fences, and then we write the invoice colon and paste basically the invoice field. This is level 1. Now this level 1 is basic and we generally want to keep it like in the system prompt so that every time I don't have to instruct these basic things, it will be auto applied for all the prompts. Now level 2 is little complex where I write analyze the stack trace, return JSON in this format, and I give one example also and I give the stack trace. Here you see the everything like is in very detail of the format and we gave one example also. So it will be able to return properly. Third is output priming. So here we analyze the method return JSON with method name, complexity, issues, refactoring. So here Claude not only is returning your desired output but also doing complex task on it depending on the model you are using. So Claude response states method example is this, complexity is this, and the rest whatever you write here. Now if we are looking for most reliable combination, it is these 4. I have tried it and it works like a charm. First is defining the JSON schema with the field type and description, that is this. Second is show a complete field example, that is this example response. Then end your prompt with this second bracket. Then Claude fills the rest if you end your prompt with this. For code that ends with this 3 dot and Java, Claude fills the block. So you can try this and see the examples and the response will be very good.